Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Central Warehousing Corporation Corporate Office, I welcome you all. And I request everyone to silence their mobile. And very shortly, MD sir, I request MD sir to convey his blessings and greetings on the coming 2022 and show us the path to go ahead for 2022. So,
a very happy New Year 2022 to all employees, colleagues, CWC Parivar, and all the stakeholders of the CWC. On behalf of CEO and CWC Parivar, Board of Directors, I am just trying to offer a bouquet to all of you. Please come. Please come. All of you from my side, a hearty bouquet, flowers for good time ahead. Thank you very much. All of us are very much aware that COVID is around the corner and it is within us and everywhere. So before beginning further any direction on the new year, I would like to say that let's follow the COVID protocol. Whatever we did in last 1 year, 1.5 years, we should follow the same. I'm sure that personal division will start related testings per month at least. And Amrish, you have to ensure that everybody gets double dose. Still, some people have not got. This is New Year, and tomorrow many of our staff will be promoted. So first of all, I would like to congratulate personal division headed by our director of personnel, who has ensured that this year also on the crucial date of promotion, around 291 staff will be promoted who were due for promotion on 1/1/2021 and 1/1/2022. Whereas he has also planned that the staff who were left over on 1st of January 2019 and 2020, their strength is 76 and 14. All put together, 463 staff will be getting promoted as due between January to March because of the DOPT guidelines. Once their residency period is covered 3 years or depending on the situation, they will be promoted. It's also heartening to convey all the staff of CWC that during last 3 years, 1st of 2019, 20, 21 and 22 this year, total 1406 staff have been promoted. So I must congratulate all the people. It's almost more than 50% of the staff who is working here has been promoted. Nothing better career progression can be ensured than this, because I have not seen so much promotion in 3 years tenure. Second, all of you have worked excellently in past few years, and that's the reason that company has grown leaps and bounds. It has been rated excellent, 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 and I'm sure that this year also will achieve the same feat. And as a result, I'm proudly conveying that about rupees 30 crore has been distributed among all the staff in the form of PLI and in the form of PRP. This unheard for an organization like this. But someone is there to earn. And I will say, though finance and personal has done the work for the distribution and salary, but this earning is from director, MCP, commercial, and the bread earners. In railways also, we used to say that traffic department is a bread earner, butter earner. And I'm sure the way whole business verticals have been organized over a period of time, it has been so much of diversified that it has increased from rupees 44 lakh in 2017-18 to this year it may be rupees 1 crore plus per employee. This is not a small feat. And our honorable minister has said that can we achieve a target of 3 crore? I think that is all possible. If from 44 lakh I can reach to 1 crore by 2025-26, I'm sure it is going to reach to 9,000 to 10,000 crore and about 3 crore of the per employee. And there is no looking back after that, because critical mass will become so high, so heavy, 3 lakh, 300 lakh LMT by 2025, 10,000 crore of the turnover. This organization will keep on growing. One thing I would like to share in last 3 years, what I have envisaged and what I have felt. When I joined this organization, there was a big pressure on everybody with respect to the food grain and FCI and State Civil Supply Corporation. Some of the staff were hesitant to talk to AGM level or district manager level officer of the FCI. If they say, utna hai to uthiye, baithna hai to baithiye. I think things are changing due to two reasons. We have diversified ourselves. We are not dependent only on one organization, that is FCI and State Civil Supply. Though they are our major customer, we have to treat them as a god, but not without honor. हमारी इज्जत हमारे हाथों में है, हम अपना काम सही ढंग से करेंगे और इंश्योर करेंगे कि कंट्री के किसी कोने में कोई भी दबाव के रूप में काम कराना चाहे तो हम नहीं करेंगे. This I want praise from all 2380 staff who is working in CWC, that your honor is in your hand. Work with dignity, honesty, so that it is not compromised at any stage. Samuel used to say that though Government of India has launched the asset monetization in past few years, but we have been doing long back. And that is one of the reasons that our turnover is increasing today. Our delivery management, our compliance to the WDRA, and recently, Mr. Rajiv Nayak, after joining the post of the GM Safety, GM Quality, he has ensured all warehouses are under safety audit, and I think most of the things have been complied also. And he has said that by March, we will ensure that everything is as per the safety audit. Everything is as per the ISO. Everything is as per the SOP. I tell you, the moment you follow transparency to this extent and facility at the level of central warehouses, pan-India level, certainly the growth will be there. I have been always telling one thing. Please remember, warehousing is the simplest service sector. इससे simple service sector कोई नहीं है. And it is again the lowest hanging fruit in the market, in the real estate. किसी को भी समझ में नहीं आता, पैसा है अपने खेत में एक warehouse बना लेता है. If there is any simple business or any simple sector, it is keen to be copied. और यदि आप अपने आप को सरवाइव करना चाहते हैं, इस बिजनेस में रहना चाहते हैं, तो सिंपल सर्विस सेक्टर का एक ही मंत्र है, ग्रो सो बिग कि आप दूसरे को खा जाएं, दूसरे आपके अंदर मर्ज हो जाएं, लेकिन आपको कोई मर्ज ना कर पाए। कई बार CWC के एम्प्लॉय को डर लगता है कि क्या ये कंपनी किसी में मर्ज हो जाएगी या बंद हो जाएगी। उसके लिए आपको इतना बड़ा बनना पड़ेगा कि कोई आपको खा नहीं सकता। और ये पॉसिबल है बिकॉज हम लोगों ने एक एसेट लाइट मॉडल हायरिंग के लिए CWC@V सिस्टम को लॉन्च करने की कोशिश किया है, जिसमें मुझे पता चला है कि 1500 ऑलरेडी वेयर हाउस प्रोवाइडर वेंडर ने लॉग इन कर रखा है। और यही यदि 15,000 हो जाए, क्योंकि लाखों वेयर हाउस ऐसे हैं जो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में है, हमें उनको टैप करके अपने पास लेके आना है, बिजनेस ही बिजनेस मिलेगा। One thing also I would like to commit, and very with heart I would like to accept. It's a really honor. It's really an honor for me and many of you, I will say, to work in this organization of CWC. A strong, motivated, committed staff of 2,380 as of now. Personally, I am saying personally, I have got unstinted support from 99% of the people pan-India level, because I am in habit of talking daily to many officers of the country. They are all bundle of energy. It is not only Samuel, but there are many Samuel in this organization. They are all ready to deliver, ready to give results. Today, you see, you have been rated excellent. Everybody in the ministry says that CWC is doing excellent. That is the reason they say that कुछ हिमाचल में भी काम कर दो, कुछ पोर्ट ब्लेयर में भी काम कर दो, कुछ नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन में काम कर दो। इसलिए नहीं, उनको मेरे अंदर फेथ है, आपके अंदर फेथ है। We have to honor that faith. उन्होंने एक्सीलेंट रेट किया है, तो मुझे एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्म करके देना। And I am sure, because I have coined one word, that all of you are managing director, and HOD of your seat and your workplace. जो आदमी झुंझुनू में काम कर रहा है, वहां का वेयर हाउस मैनेजर वही वहां का MD है, वही डायरेक्टर है, उसी को डिसीजन लेना है। यहाँ पे मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगा, रेदर पढ़ के बताना चाहूंगा, जो टॉप ब्यूरोक्रेट, दैट इज Gava Sahab, our cabinet secretary, what he has said, I have circulated it also. He says, stop passing the buck when you see the file and get rid of may kindly see syndrome. I am repeating, and I seek a place from all of you, wherever you are. Please do stop passing the buck when you see the file, see the work, see the decision making. Get rid of may kindly see syndrome. Speed up decision making by reducing maximum Ford level. I just want to ask Mr. Rao, I hope we have implemented this 100%.
Yes, sir. Linear structure we have implemented, but the compliances is not 100%. This year,
So this year, let's place that whosoever, wherever we are, we comply this. ये 3 करोड़ और 10,000 करोड़, 3 करोड़ पर एम्प्लॉय एंड 10,000 करोड़ का टर्नओवर तभी संभव होगा जब एक सिंपल सेंटेंस को हम फॉलो करेंगे। आज सुबह में डायरेक्टर साहब हमारे पास आए, इन्होंने कहा एक डिसीजन लेना है। I tell you, I was skeptical to take that decision, but he convinced us, says that I'm going to write it and we are going to take decision. And decision has to be taken like this: discuss and decide and then take the decision. And it should be in jiffy, in moments. आप यदि गलत काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप कोई डिसीजन गलत नहीं दे रहे हैं इंडिविजुअल के इंटरेस्ट में, आप मास के इंटरेस्ट में काम कर रहे हैं, कंट्री के इंटरेस्ट में काम कर रहे हैं, आपका कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा. And that is the message your cabinet secretary has given. Today I met my secretary in the morning before coming to all of you. I have given a bouquet of flower to him also. He said, Arun, yesterday what you said to the press was remarkable. Because I said that with one innovation, where we have increased the height of stacking from 20 to 24, that is over and above capacity has been utilized now. The country is gainer by 8,000 crore each year. Country is gainer by 8,000 crore each year. Now, another feat that all of you have done, I want to convey to you. I have conveyed to the ministry, conveyed to the Honorable Minister and Secretary, but I want to convey because yesterday only our GGM Finance, R.R. Agrawal has conveyed this data, and this is alarming data. You see, rupees 4.68 per bag per month storage charge was in the year 2016-17. But he has also given a calculation in 2021-22. Again, the storage charge will become 4.68 per bag per month. आप सोचिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 साल के इन्फ्लेशन को हमने जीरो कर दिया और आप लोगों ने जीरो कर दिया because of innovation, doing the asset monetization in the existing warehousing complex, utilizing the same manpower for delivering higher and higher results. 6 साल का इन्फ्लेशन आपने जीरो किया. 6 साल का इन्फ्लेशन करीब 30% होता है. 5 to 6% का इन्फ्लेशन है कंट्री में. आपने कहा नथिंग डूइंग. इसकी वजह से करीब करीब 2,381 करोड़ की गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की सेविंग हो रही है. सो 8,000 वहां और 2,300 यहां, करीब 12,000 करोड़ आप मान के चलिए. 11,000 करोड़ की सेविंग एक अकेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इस कंट्री को दे रहा है. आई एम गोइंग टू हाईलाइट दिस ऑल्सो बिकॉज आवर डायरेक्टर MCP is very, very forceful that this item should come to our Financial Express or any economic newspaper and all that. And perhaps I will approach to one of the IM to bring out all these as a turnout story of this CWC. Here at the end, I would like to take a place, pass on the message on the auspicious day of Happy New Year that let's take a place that make this corporation as Navratna company. And I tell you, our Director of Finance has done the calculation. He says that we do qualify today. The minimum mark 60 we have achieved already. And with some things from the personal side, it will be sealed. So we will apply this year to get a Navratna status. Your GGM personnel has been running from DPE to ministry to board, and finally, any day, all of you will get a greatest news for this organization that restructuring for E0 to E9 is done. It is just waiting here and there, and I am raking on each Monday this item. And if that is done, I think there will be around 581 Group A officer, more than 581. They are around 200. So all Group C, Group B have a career progression. NPC has given a chart of career progression, which personal division has been following very, very religiously. I think everybody will be getting, more than 50% will be getting promoted in each cadre. 50 to 70 is the career progression. So सारे लोगों का कैरियर प्रोग्रेशन में देख कर दंग रह गया. उन्होंने ऐसा चार्ट बनाया है कि 50 से 70% के बीच में प्रोग्रेस आ रही है. मेरी एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, आप सबों से गुजारिश है, आप लोग इतने मन से काम करें. मेरी इच्छा थी कि हम 5,000 करोड़ अपने रिटायरमेंट के पहले करके जाएं. एटलीस्ट 3,000 करोड़ 22-23 में आप लोग दें और 1,000 करोड़ का पीबीटी दें. This is just I wanted to convey to all of you and say Jai Hind, goodbye, and wish you very, very happy New Year once again. Thank you.
I request Managing Director to inaugurate and launch the e-calendar, which is prepared by in-house team. This is the glimpse of digital calendar. This is the front page, index page, and this is the message from Managing Director. This is calendar for January. Just hold on. I must thank Director Finance also, who has, given a lot of input to improve the digital calendar. This is for February, depicting the key activity of CWC. This year theme was, to depict all the commercial activity which is achieved by CWC, all the MOUs and important activities has been captured in each month. This is what has been done as a COVID warrior. We have done it. This is to promote the pest control activities of CWC. These calendar will be, posted on the website and will be mailed to all the stakeholders, including employees. This is digital transformation of CWC. This is the MOU, one of the best pick. Next. Yes, this was the MOU signed between CWC and NAPCOM. This was AGM get together. This was Hindi Divas, Hindi Pakhwada, which we celebrate every year. This is recently inaugurated warehouse of Kerala region, by Chief Minister. This is the sports activity which is undertaken by CWC every year. This is followed by the map of CWC on the India. ठीक ठीक है sir. So followed by the directory of the key persons, and this will be updated every month. Yes. Ministry director, RO, warehouses. Yes, वो भी आ गया. Division wise. Okay, thank you.